Welcome to Kids Kingdom of Fun Learning.
It's story time.
A bright school playground. Children are laughing and playing together.
Hi there! I'm Emma. It's such a beautiful day to be at school, isn't it?
One boy, Max, stands nearby with his arms crossed. Max had a strange habit. Whenever someone asked for help, he always said,
Max, can you help us? Yeah, come on. No! Max, can you help us? No!
Children trying to build a cardboard castle.
Max, can you hold this box? No. Can you help us paint? No.
No matter what people asked, Max always had the same answer.
No.
The children had fun. They worked together. They made something amazing. But Max was all alone. That evening, something magical happened. Tiny sparkles danced through the air, and a beautiful fairy appeared.
Hello, Max. Who are you? I am Lily, the friendship fairy.
Everything around Max suddenly felt full of wonder. The fairy waves her wand. A magical mirror appeared.
I want to show you something.
Inside the mirror, Max saw himself, always saying no.
No.
Then he saw children walking away, looking sad. For the first time, Max saw how his words made others feel.
They look sad. Yes. Sometimes one kind word can make someone happy.
Max became very quiet. He looked carefully. He started to understand. Maybe saying no all the time was not the best choice. Sometimes one kind word can make someone happy. The next morning, Max saw his friends building a birdhouse. He stopped and thought for a moment. Then something wonderful happened.
Me. Max, would you like to help? Yes.
Instead of saying no, Max smiled and chose to help. Everyone works together. Max paints, Jack builds, Emma decorates.
Really, Max? Yes. I want to help.
The birdhouse becomes beautiful. Working together felt wonderful. Max laughed, Max smiled, and Max made new friends. Children standing proudly beside the finished birdhouse. When we help others, we build friendships. When we are kind, we make the world brighter. Sometimes, one small yes can change everything. Let's learn some easy English. Can I help? Can I help? It means you want to help someone. Yes, please. Yes, please. It means you accept help politely. Thank you. Thank you. It means you are grateful. Birds happily sitting in the birdhouse. Children playing together. Max learned an important lesson. Kindness grows when we share it. And friendship begins with helping others. Did you enjoy today's magical story? Stay connected with our channel for more fun adventures and easy English lessons. See you in the next story.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and see you all soon in the next episode.